Hello friends, let us talk about differential pressure transmitter and a DP cell. If you observe, it is H high pressure side and low pressure side of the DP cell. This is an open DP cell with isolation diaphragm and the module, which is a signal conditioning module, which the entire unit constitute DP transmitter. Let us try to understand different transmitters available in the lab. This is also a differential pressure transmitter with extended diaphragm design. If you observe an isolation diaphragm and an extension in the capillary which is connected to the HP side of the DP cell. If you carefully observe this is an HP side and LP side which is open to the atmosphere. So this transmitter is used in the pulp industry for measurement of pulp in the tank. Moving ahead, let us try to understand a flow transmitter, which is a magnetic flow meter. This is a flow transmitter with a flow tube connected in the pipeline and a signal conditioning module. If you observe the front fascia, it is a display which gives an indication of flow in the pipeline instantaneously. Look at the pressure transmitter with the display facility. This is a gauge pressure transmitter. If you observe carefully, it is connected in the pipeline in this way. This is a magnetic flow meter and vortex flow meter are again flow transmitters, and a pressure transmitter connected on the water header. This is also a gauge pressure transmitter from Emerson 3051 model. This is a temperature transmitter with temperature sensor which is connected in the pipeline. RTD is used as a temperature sensor in this setup. This is also a magnetic flow meter which is connected in the cold water line in the heat exchanger setup. There is a pressure transmitter which you can also see, which is mounted on the 2-inch stanchion. If you observe carefully, the transmitter is mounted on the mounting bracket, and this mounting bracket is connected with the elbow over here to the 2-inch stanchion. Here we have Coriolis flow meter, Coriolis flow tube, which is connected in the pipeline to measure the mass flow in the pipeline, and a magnetic and a mass flow meter transmitter unit which is mounted on the stanchion. You can clearly see that with the help of mounting bracket and elbow, or we call it as U-clamp, this is U-clamp, it is connected on the stanchion. Also you can see the transmitters which are called temperature transmitters. mounted on the 2-inch stanchion.